Hey guys, so looking at number 2, it says Dr. Atkins wrote the number 4.75 times 10 to the 7th on the board. What is the number expressed in standard decimal notation? Okay, so what I've kind of already circled here is that this 7 we know is my exponent. That exponent is going to tell me a whole lot. Okay, so the first thing that it tells me is that it is positive, which then makes it move to the right. So our decimal is going to have to move to the right because we know that it is positive. Okay, the 7 also tells me how many spaces my decimal is moving, not however many zeros needs to come after the number. Okay, and the last thing that it's going to tell me is that because it is such a big number and it's positive, we know that this number then is going to be a big number once we're all said and done working it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write out my number 4.75. Okay, whenever I write this out, again, I know that 7 is telling me that I have to move 7 spaces, and again, because it's positive, I know it's 7 spaces to the right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, if a space is not filled with a number already, we're going to fill in those spaces with zeros. Okay, so automatically, when I look at my answer choices compared to what I did on my paper, I know F cannot work because it's 0.0000 forever and then 475. Okay, that does not match my number right there. Okay, whenever I look at my options over here, one of the easiest things that I can do is I can count however many zeros I actually have. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever I look over here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go ahead and make your selection on what you think is the correct choice based on what we did together.